Hello, and thanks for joining me. Today's visit takes me to the village of Sille in Konya province, a place I visited recently while staying at my in-laws' village house not too far away. I tend to concentrate my travels on the Aegean region of Turkey, but since we were nearby, my husband thought it'd be worth the short trip over to check it out. We started out at a historic site in the village. The Eleni Church was commissioned all the way back in 327 by Emperor Constantine's mother, Helena, on a pilgrimage to Jerusalem. It's said that she saw locals worshiping in the caves and decided to pay for a church to be built for them instead. For centuries, it served the local Greek Orthodox community up until the population exchange in the early 1920s, and it was even used as a military and medical depot during World War I. Finally, in 2012, the local municipality restored the church, and it's now open to the public as a museum. Up a steep hill through the old cemetery, we made our way to the Time Museum. This small 19th century building was once a chapel and was later restored and reopened as a museum. Inside, everything is about measuring time, from Ottoman and early Republic era clocks to older timekeeping tools and calendars. It was a neat little stop and a great excuse to make our way up the hill and take in views of the surrounding countryside. Sille is a small settlement just outside the city of Konya, with only around 1,000 or so residents today. For centuries, it was home to a mixed community, including a Greek Orthodox community prior to the population exchange. Because of its location along a pilgrimage route to Jerusalem, as well as an important center for trade, It once welcomed many travelers passing through central Anatolia. More recently, it's become an easy stop for visitors from the nearby city of Konya, with cafes and restaurants along the stream in the center of the village. What I loved most, though, was simply wandering and admiring the old buildings. Some have been beautifully restored, and others are still fading, but even then, it's easy to imagine just how charming they once were and what sort of potential they hold. We stopped into the Sille Museum, housed in a historic school building right next to the stream. The building itself has lived a few lives, and after restoration, it reopened as a museum in 2017. The museum offers an easy-to-digest introduction to Sille, everyday objects, local crafts, and little details that help you picture the village as it once was. One of my favorite corners was a wall of black and white photographs, just a quiet glimpse into earlier days. And of course, I always linger around the handmade pieces, especially the pottery and carpets, since Sille had been known for both. Older weaving traditions use plant dyes, including a yellow one associated with the buckthorn bush, which was grown in Konya. But with the advent of synthetic dyes, these farmers were no longer able to compete. I'm just glad these pieces are preserved here so we can still slow down and admire them today. We also popped into an Ottoman-era mosque built in the early 1800s. I just love admiring these old stone buildings. Inside were details of dark wood, but the high ceilings and afternoon sunlight streaming in managed to make this large building feel light and airy.
I could sit around and wait all day. You lay easy on my mind. Like a candle I just burn away. All we really have is time. All we really have is time.
Just along the stream, we passed an old hammam. It looked like it was being restored, so we couldn't go inside, but I still stopped for a moment to admire the beautiful domed roofs. As we wrapped up our walk through Sille, we grabbed a simple snack of corn on the cob to go.
What was it they used to say?
With the afternoon settling in, we could admire the old houses from a distance and the carved caves and the rocky cliffs nearby.
There is nothing in you that is fading.
In the golden light, the stones seemed to glow, warm, honey-colored, and soft.
You are brighter all the time. And I don't wanna waste it on anybody. Take it with anybody but you.
Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this little video. I really appreciate it. And if you'd like to see more from my perspective as an American living in Turkey, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel and giving this video a thumbs up. Until next time, thanks!
I don't wanna waste it